Hi, this is Murli here from Xiaomi India, and I'm here at the Airtel corporate headquarters in Gurgaon to test drive the real magic of 5G speeds on the camera phone of the year, the Xiaomi 12 Pro with the Airtel 5G Plus network. Mind-blowing, isn't it? It went up to half a Gbps, that's almost 500 Mbps of speed. Now, can you imagine what all you can do with such mind-blowing speed? Well, I could download, let's say, my favorite movie, but if you thought that the magic of 5G is only for those flagship devices, let me correct that. You can also get the power of 5G on the Redmi 11 Prime 5G at just 12,999. Be a part of the 5G revolution.